Hello, welcome to the Eagle 6 video. We're going to be testing this M4. It's just a normal AEG. This one, the customer wanted a DMR build, so we've done a rebuild on it and reshim, and we have fit a much bigger spring, and we've also fit the Psionic hop rubber in there, just to improve some accuracy a little bit. Then we've done some range testing just to make sure that it shoots out nice and straight and out to a decent distance. And we've set it up for 0.43 ammo, and obviously the gun has been locked using the MOSFET that was already in there to single shots, and we're shooting at 291 on 4.3s, which is just a little under the limit, but it's a pretty big spring that's in here. So obviously if you don't get the trigger response you're looking for, I'd probably recommend 11 volt to run it, a small 11 volt. But just for now I can just demonstrate on 7. There you go, rinsed. So yeah, it's the reason I recommend 11 volt on it is that it's quite a big spring, so obviously that increases the power draw dramatically, and even though obviously it's got a MOSFET in there, it does stress out smaller 7.4 lipos to the point when obviously you can feel them, and obviously spamming it like that through that whole mag. That's obviously created a lot more draw, and that would obviously be a lot less of an impact on the battery if it was a 11 volt, because it would be easier to pull that trigger, that 11 volt, so you know the spring, and therefore obviously it's less stress on the actual battery. So yeah, I'd probably recommend, like I say, 11 volt there. I think the gun would be better for it. I think it would sound a little snappier on those on the wind up, and yeah. So but that's what I recommend. But we just wanted to demonstrate it working. It's all ready for collection, and if any problems with the specification, let us know. But hopefully that's all good for you. Thank you.